Hi neighbors, it's Monday. I'm not at work today, took a couple days off. Hannah doesn't have school today, so we're going to use the opportunity to do something we've been meaning to do with her for the longest time. Alright? So you know I come. Hi neighbors, today we're in search of fine art. We're making two stops. First, we're on Water Lane, downtown Kingston, and we're going to show you some street art, some street murals, very beautifully done. And then we'll let you know where we're stopping second. So let's get straight to it. Come, do it again.
This is beets. Wow, look at that breadfruit up there. Actual bottle stoppers. This piece is called Jamaica is Not a Real Place, and it goes all the way around the corner here.
Looks like a Christian lady that come to church and sell gizzard after church.
Scan me. Ooh. What do you like about that one?
That one is close for long. Here, look at her here. That's the spray paint.
Okay.
Different. And that,
So neighbors, where we are in the Downtown Kingston Art District is Water Lane, which is part of a corridor connecting the National Gallery on Orange Street to the Institute of Jamaica Museums on East Street, and it's just one of a group of many areas in downtown Kingston with street murals. Wow, I love this. This is Bob Marley, and there's a couple. And there's a lady on horns. Beautiful. Doing this last one. Of course.
there's a story for this piece by Errol Keane, Daughters of Ocean, and I think this is the story right here. Whoever the persona is was raped when they were 3 years old by my aunt's boyfriend while she stood there and did nothing. It made me wary of being around boys, but I tried to not let it define me. When I was 14, my second experience was with my next door neighbor. It was horrible, disappointing, and I felt confused and found myself wondering if it was supposed to feel this way.
The fifth daughter.
That's actually very sad. But you can see the pain and the different cycles.
I carried this moment for years. I'm not sure how to cover it.
That's the point though, Jamaica is a real place.
Jamaica is not a real place. That's what it named?
Yeah, that's what it named. Jamaica is not a real place.
Ah, perfect. I think this is...
a lot is going on. You have the same boat here, I'm not sure.
Babe, I can't hear you, honey.
You can't hear.
We won't be able to hear with all the traffic and everything.
You can hear.
Just stay right here, so. Talk.
So you have your sailboat there.
Like a bobblehead thing.
Right.
The big head.
Below that, I recognize Gerald from Hey Arnold. And that guy, I see him on the internet, in YouTube, that character, the puppet looking guy.
Uh-huh.
But I'm not sure what the story is. That's Tweety's grandmother.
I am not sure.
Sylvester and Tweety kind of look like her.
I like the different art styles and just how crazy it is.
How crazy it is.
Yeah.
It's
And
creative.
just the different aspects, because like the red stripe has a face, and then the corn chip, I think is a corn chip, has the like whole sunglasses thing,
Yeah.
the whole cartoon thing.
Okay. Oh, there's more around here. Whoa. And it has somebody that look like Miss Lou and somebody that look like Fancy Cat. I guess representing theater and the performing arts.
She looks like a Christian lady that come church and sell gizzardo after church. You can get peanut cake and gizzardo.
Go stand up beside her.
Drops.
Go stand up beside
She
her.
look like
a Christian lady.
she look like she almost look nanny-ish.
Nanny?
Nanny of Maroons-ish. If you look, you squint.
Right.
Right? But she look like a nice Christian lady. She cooks second alone in the church. And she, after church, she give out some treats to the children like peanut cake and gizzardo. But she have that warm personality. You can see.
Yes,
you can see
the warmth
her
resonates
cheeks.
from her.
She loves food.
From her face.
You can see that she loves food. Food is a big part of her life. And
Food
she
makes anybody happy.
You're right. She uses that to get to people, and that's her thing.
Okay. Wow. Great interpretation, love.
Thank you.
Oh, it's a
Scan me. Ooh.
I guess you can find out who he is.
It says Israelites. It looks like a record. So it looks like a singer. Desmond. Oh, it's Desmond Decker. He's a musician. A singer. Desmond Decker. Singer. Pretty cool. I love this. So this is a record. Come go. Wow. Oh, it looks like it's been stamped.
Oh.
But still. You like this one?
Yeah. I like that this is in black and white.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. It's monochrome.
Take a picture of that so we can scan it when we go home or something.
There's Toots. Hannah! So we're back in the car. And it's now 4 o'clock and we're trying to catch Olympia Gallery in Papine. And they close at 5. So hopefully we would get to see the gallery and enjoy the gallery. But this was a bellyful regardless.
We never expected so much.
This was a bellyful. This is beautiful. We want to endorse the local security people. So that was a really good experience. Kingston Creative, Tourism Enhancement Fund, other stakeholders, you are doing a fantastic job. This just brings some beauty to downtown Kingston, which unfortunately has suffered from urban decay over the years, and it's just great to be able to experience beauty in this kind of space.
You know what would fit well on the wall?
What?
What Leland's already the other day.
So the next
room, yes.
And Hannah's artwork. Hannah actually is working on a piece for her art class. That would be nice to show the final product of whenever we can. Maybe we can give them a little bit of a taste of the work in progress. What you say, Hannah?
Okay.
We'll see. I guess the artist does not want to show an unfinished piece to the public. But yeah, so we're gonna head out now to the other stop on our trip today.
Wow, I love that. I am no artist, but I can do abstract.
So you're excited? So you like that thing?
I think I could actually do something like that. It's simple circles, boring 3 holes, and then bigger circles for the body. You could use something like a hanger, so you know, old hanger.
Anyway,
I could definitely do that. Wait, it's now 4:24. Let's go.
alright. Yes, I love Richard Hall's stuff.
Oh, that's kind of good. Richard Hall has a lot of stuff at my office. I am more of a, would I say El Pedro kind of guy? El Pedro is, you know, Richard Hall is kind of too, what's what I'm looking for, babe?
Impressionist?
It's too impressionistic. But I never appreciate that kind of style.
Right.
You know, I do appreciate you, Mr. Hall.
I very much appreciate you, Mr. Hall. Let's just be clear about that.
Look at the man. Look at what is he riding?
He's riding in the donkey's back.
On the donkey's back?
So right
Yes.
now the donkey and not a horse.
Look,
She knows.
he's still asleep.
He's asleep?
Who is asleep? The man is asleep. Kind of look that way, yes?
Right, he really does look like he's asleep, but I think he's just thinking about something. Eden, you enjoying the baby?
Daddy's girl.
Daddy's girl.
Eden, you enjoying it? Daddy's girl?
Yeah, who is Daddy's girl? We have 5 Daddy's girls.
Oh, that is a hunk though. Daddy works out. Are you seeing boats here?
Yes, I have seen boats. What is it?
It's hard to see I can kind of see the boats.
If you step back, you see it. When I was coming in,
You could see, but
I
it's
could see it very
up
clearly.
close. It's kind of not so clear, but I think I kind of get it. What do you think, Hannah? You see boats?
Yeah.
yeah, I see boats. I see
Wow, this looks
I
like
see mountains.
this one is
Look,
nice.
this is mommy and baby. Capture the mommy and the baby by the mommy and the baby.
Yeah, that's nice.
Bronze leaf. Beautiful.
Good work, PJ.
Let's read about him. I have found creation to be a mysterious process in which predetermined images have no place. Reason is often a blocker in my work, and I have to empty myself of the inclination to illustrate. The best work comes through an open space into which can flow the heart, the humor, the soul, and what Sidney Poitier calls my personal resume. Nice. So we're here assuming the artist was a male and all along it's a female.
PJ is a woman. What does PJ stand for?
It doesn't say, but through English parents raised in East Africa, the daughter of a farmer, she grew up among the landscapes of Kenya. Look at that.
Alright neighbors, so that was our trip for today to look for fine art. Stopped at Downtown Kingston and then at Papi. Until next time, as usual, big up. I hope you can hear him by the way. Shush! Big up from me and my host. Take care. Bye.
Bye, neighbors.
That was on camera.